I'm hearing someone saying someone's coming. Oh, so let's all find out who is that energy coming towards you, guys. Whoever that energy coming towards you, look at that, look at that. We have here the emperor, someone who could be holding here high reputation, maybe high designation in his or her company, maybe a CEO right here, someone who is successful when it comes to his or her career, job, business, or finances related things. I do see that this person here is someone who is mature, but for others of you could be dealing here with someone who is older than you by age. But okay, just take how this resonates. Whoever this individual is, this is someone here who wants to control his or her emotions and feelings when it comes to you. But whoever this individual is, I think his or her heart right here keeps on beating fast and faster whenever he or she sees you. Yeah. With the chariot card right here, definitely. Second confirmation that this person is definitely coming your way. Wow, an emperor is coming your way. Just take how this resonates right here. Wow. For others of you, could be meeting this person here online. Might be through any social media platforms. Just take how this resonates. But this is someone here new, someone fresh, like a fresh new connection, a fresh new beginning when it comes to love. And whoever this individual is, I think this person will definitely make you very happy. Very, very happy right here. Wow. I'm not just seeing you smiling every day, but I'm seeing you laughing every day. Wow. I love that. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Who is this person here? And what is exactly the role of this person here in your life? We're gonna find out. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out other infos. Wow. So let's keep moving to get more information about this collective. Wow, you've got the Two of Cups and there's this Four of Wands energy. Wow, you've also got here the Star and the Ten of Coins energy. Wow. So, I love it. I love what I'm seeing from here. Wow, you're now facing the divine counterpart right here. Your divine counterpart. We've got the Empress and the Emperor facing each other. So you could have already met this special person here. This person could be already in your life. You could have already met this person or is about to meet this person here one of these days. But I do see that whoever this individual is, this is someone here who appears to be your divine counterpart. So yeah, let's keep moving right here. Six of coins energy, eight of coins, eight of wow, 10 of cups energy. So wow, how can I put it into words? I love what I'm seeing from here. Like, wow. So, before we start talking more about this, even though I do not know how to put it in words because this is so beautiful, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, sweethearts. By the way, my name is Yan. I am from the Philippines. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here. Okay? Just take only what resonates here with you guys. Okay? And of course, this is timeless as well. Okay? So, I do see that someone here is really moving towards this beautiful romance of a lifetime. Wow, I'm seeing you right here meeting someone like your divine counterpart. Yeah, I do see you winning here when it comes to love. I'm seeing you moving away with Three of Swords energy, Six of Swords. I do see you here moving away from something here that could possibly be a painful experience when it comes to your love and romantic situations with your past lovers. I do see you right here moving towards here something great, something beautiful. Like this is something here genuine with the Two of Cups energy. This is someone here that you could possibly, exceeds your expectations when it comes to love. So I see you here moving away from something here that um do not serve you anymore. I do see you right here moving away from something here that caused your heart to be broken in the past, and I'm seeing you right here moving towards this new adventure when it comes to your love life, and I'm seeing that you're looking, okay, forward in your future, marrying someone that will definitely exceed your expectations. And you are about to meet that special person. And for others of you, you already met this person right here. You are already in the getting to know stage. I do see that this person here will definitely invite you on a romantic date. Wow. So this is someone here that gives me this type of message that this is someone here who is also planning for his or her future, and this is something here great. This is something here bright. So I do see that this is someone here who is responsible, someone here that is having a mature way or approach in whatever it is situations that he or she will face in his or her own life. This is someone here who is matured, someone here who has that stability. This person here is actually moving forward with his or her life. Well, I do see that this person here could be owning a property. Maybe he or she owns a house and lot already, or maybe this person here is owning a lot and um, putting up a business to it. So I do see that this person here is someone successful, because I do see that this person here is someone who is also determined to achieve his or her goals and target plans in his or her life. And this person is appearing as the star card energy, who is someone here that appears to be your wish fulfillment. So I do see that with this star beside this Ten of Coins energy, this is something here great that literally exceeds your expectations when it comes to love. This is someone here who is single and ready to mingle, available and will be emotionally available only to you. And this person here appears to be as the emperor or the empress, so we do not have any gender right here. Just take how this resonates, but whoever this individual is, this is someone here who is also embodying the same energy just like you. So you could be mirroring this person here as well. I do see that this person here will give to you everything, even though you will not ask for it. This person here is capable in giving you everything, even though you do not ask it to him or her. So wow, definitely this is someone here who wants to be, to be a family man or a family woman someday. And this is the person, your person, that we're talking about. This is someone here who will not just build your finances here or your stability financially, but this is someone here who will definitely build a life together with you, having this happy home and family here with you. This person wants to have his or her own family together with you, sweethearts, and this person chooses you as his or her empress or emperor. This person here is definitely 101% serious about taking this connection to the next level, even though for others of you, you are just in getting to know stage. But I do see that this person here is someone who really wants to invest his or her whole lifetime with you. This person wants to make you happy, and I do pick up that this is one of his or her main or high priority. But I do see this person here, who is somewhat as well worried. Okay, you might be asking why, because this person here is also someone here who who also expects more to himself or herself. So I do see that this person here, is a little bit afraid that he or she might not be able to to give to you. Okay. Sometimes, how can I example? Okay, let me just give an example right here. Okay. This person is not someone who will neglect you when it comes to his or her work, especially if he or she has schedule or busy schedules right here. But I do see that this person here, there could be sometimes upcoming, like he or she cannot control. Okay, that there could possible be unexpected meetings, or this person here need to work on weekends or on holidays right here. But this person here is somewhat who is afraid that he or she might reschedule if you have here a date. That's the energy that I'm picking up. But when it comes to showing his or her love for you, this person here is always available. Yeah, this person here always finds time with you, but this person here is giving me this type of message that he or she is a little bit worried about those unexpected things that might happen, or situations like unexpected meeting. Okay, he or she needs to go to that meeting. Okay, and it's like this person here will um postpone your date, or your meetup right here. So I do see that this person here is a little bit worried about that, but I don't think that that is big deal to you, because this person will definitely make you feel that you are not being neglected, because you know this person here very well than I know this person. So I do see that this is you are very patient and very understanding about this person's situation. You already know this, because for others of you, you are dealing here with someone who could be a CEO. You could be dealing here with someone who has a high designation when it comes to his or her work, or he could be a business owner here, an entrepreneur. So I do see that you fully understand his or her work. And you also know that this person here will definitely find time, okay, to show you, okay, that he or she cares for you. So this person here makes sure that he will definitely still finds time to contact you, call you, text you, chat you right here, whatever the case may be. This person will make sure that he or she will definitely communicate with you every day. So yeah, I do see this person here making some kind of efforts in elevating this connection to the next level. And this person here will definitely see you as someone here worthy of his or her time. And I do see you living with this person here. Yeah, I do seeing you living together with this person here, moving together in one house, that you will be calling your home. I do see that everything right here will continue to flourish beautifully with this person here. And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this person here is someone with authority. Maybe someone here who is holding that um higher position when it comes to his or her work status or career. But whoever this individual is, I do see that this is someone here, okay, who is very grounded when it comes to your connection or relationship. This person treats you like you are someone here who is at high pedestal. Yeah. So I do not know who are your person is specifically, but I do see that this person's love and passion for you are really strong, that it can definitely be considered as someone here unconditional, or somewhat here genuine. Yeah. So I do see that you also feel that you can definitely trust this person. Yeah. This person here is someone who is generous, someone here who could be living alone independently. Maybe he or she is far away with his or her own family, but whoever this individual is, this person here is someone who is mature and very independent. I do see that this person sees you as his or her empress or emperor, and this person here sees no one to be beside him or her other than you, sweetheart. So I do not know what you're doing here, but you're winning when it comes to love. Right at this very moment, after meeting this person here, you will definitely feel that you are now winning when it comes to your love life, or as long as your love life is concerned. So I do see that this is the type of person here who will keep showing you, who will keep expressing you that he or she truly loves you. Yeah, even though for others of you, this is somewhat here a fresh new connection, I do see that you already feel this person's presence and his or her pure intention. So I do see that whoever this individual is, this is someone here who will continue to work with this relationship to build a stronger foundation, or to build legacy here with you guys. And I do see that this person here is planning to talk about the future here with you. I'm seeing marriage proposal coming up from this person here. I'm seeing this person here wants to invest his or her whole life here with you. This person will definitely pop out that question like, will you marry me, or will you be my girlfriend or boyfriend? And I do see that both of you will continue to express with each other your passion and love. And for some reason, you cannot definitely explain what is it exactly that you're feeling. It's just that you're going with the flow, trusting the process right here, and you're saying yes to this connection with this person because you both mirror each other reflection of feelings and emotions. I do see that you will both give to each other love and affection, concern and passion, and will continue to be caring and very loving with each other. I do see that this person here is not just your wish fulfillment, but a dream come true to you. So I do not know who I'm talking to right now, but you are gonna face your emperor or your empress soon if this person haven't entered your life yet. But for others of you, this person here is already in your life, and you are already facing here your divine counterpart, the one that you're gonna marry with, the one that you're gonna spend your whole life with. This is a beautiful connection here, and I'm seeing here numbers 1111. You're on the right path with this person here, and I'm also seeing right here angel numbers 444, which is a strong angel number of stability, family, and home. I do see that this person here is also embodying these letters, might be his or her initials, letter M, letter O, and letter P. So whatever the case may be, maybe those are your initials, or this person's initials, or part of the letters of your name, or this person's name. So whatever the case may be, I also do see that this person here, maybe his or her favorite color is yellow, or something here bright. Whoever this individual is also gives me this type of vibe that he or she is also someone here who has positive mindset, positive thinking, and also someone here who could be embodying this very lively, very vibrant energy. I do see that this person here also achieve a lot of success in his or her life, and I do pick up that this person here will definitely want to share all of his or her resources here with you. Wow, this is definitely your 10 of coins, 10 of cups energy, sweetheart. So, what are you waiting for? Claim this beautiful message right here, because I know that whoever this guy or whoever this woman right here, you totally deserve whoever this individual is. So thank you so much for your time spent here, and love and light.